Ready to bring your ideas to life and create awesome 2D animations? Let's dive into Adobe Animate and go over a few easy use techniques and tools first. Familiarizing yourself with the interface is key. Take a look at the Tools panel on the left side. This is your animation toolbox. Selecting the rectangle tool creates shapes, and using the brush tool allows you to draw your own shapes and figures. The magic happens in the timeline. This is where you'll control the timing and sequence of your animation. To start, create a new scene and select a frame. Inserting a keyframe creates a new snapshot of your animation. These keyframes are essential because they hold the information for any changes. Add the in-between animation using the tweening feature to create movement. Select the first and last keyframes and select the Shape Tween option to create a transformation. Then make any necessary changes to shapes or position between the starting and ending keyframes. Adobe Animate offers many more tools, so experiment with adding color, scaling, and rotation to bring more movement into your animations. Practice makes perfect when learning to animate. The program and art are easily accessible, so try different techniques and see what comes natural to you. Soon, you'll be animating like a pro. Remember to explore, have fun, and keep creating.